Bayaus. I'm here to give an example in fluid mechanics from chapter 1, the properties of fluids. Find the surface tension in a soap bubble of 50 mm diameter when the inside pressure is 3.5 Newton per square meter above atmospheric pressure. So the given in this problem are diameter is equal to 50 mm. The pressure is equal to 3.5 Newton per square meter. So the equation to find the surface tension is pressure is equal to 4 times the surface tension over the diameter. Substitute, so 3.5 Newton per square meter is equal to 4 times the surface tension over 0.5 meter. Simplify, so our surface tension is equals to 0.438 Newton per meter.